boy, no! Go, boy, no! You guys having fun? This next song is a special song dedicated to each and everybody who has ever been heartbroken. And I want you all to know one thing, is that music heals everything, right? If you know the words, you can sing along with us, okay? This song is by Acorn. It's called Right Now. Woo!
It's been so long that I haven't seen your face. Won't be long, but the strength I have is washing away.
You won't be long before I get you in my sight. Just to all your days to squeeze you out. Blessing of my life. I wanna make you right now, now, now. I wanna make you right now, now, now. We should never forget. Without the leg of right now, now, now.
I wanna make up right now, now, now.
Come on, say.
I wanna make up right now, now, now.
We should never
Broke up right now, now, now.
without the leg of.
Girl, I know things between us two. It was so alright that night. We said something were true.
I have answers to faces. While walking in pain, the way it was, not to have my arms and love of fun. Come on, say.
I wanna make up right now, now, now. I wanna make up right now, now, now. Wish we never broke up right now, now, now.
You wanna love right now, now, now. You wanna make up right now, now, now. You should never fuck up right now, now, now. We have to let go right now.
Alright guys, are you guys having a good time so far? Manipur, let me hear you! Alright, I want you guys to do one thing for us. Anyone got a cell phone? I want you to take out your cell phone right now, turn on your flashlight and wave them in the air right now. Come on! All the flashlights in there, come on! Want you to fly with me, just wish how you love me. Lift them up! Just wish you could die with me. One man to cry with me. Yeah, want you to fly with me. Just wish how you love with me. Just wish you could die with me. One man to cry with me. Yeah, I want you to fly with me.
Because I love you so much.
Wish how you
Tell me
love
that you did it 'cause I need you so much.
Wish you could
Tell me
die
that you did it. Tell me that you did it. I wanna make. I wanna make. We should never walk without the leg of.
I wanna make up right now, now, now. I
need you for everybody in this entire arena to make some noise. Come on, people. You can make it more louder. Come on. I said, I want to hear your noise. Okay. This is gonna be a last song. We wrote the song based on what we have heard and seen in our life. We've been through countless downfalls, overcome our adversities, always kept moving forward, cause there's always light to the other side of the dark tunnel. So do you guys believe in hope? Okay, we Symphonic Illusions has a message for you all. No matter how hard life can get, there's always hope to start a new beginning. This song is called Hope. Come on, let me see all your hands up in the air. Come on. Yeah? And I want you all to clap my count, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3, clap! Guys, be ready to bounce! 3, 2, 1, let's go! Life and mistakes, you keep dragging me around like I'm your snake. As I look into myself, the bullet I cry, clinging to my past with all else filled. Bury all my darkness, bury all my pain, bury all the things that is making me insane. stage, SHIROCK. Thank you!
Everybody, how are you feeling after the performance? Do you think you are enjoying? Are you having a good time? How do you know? How do you know that you're having a good time? I know because I'm getting goosebumps. Are you getting one? Are you getting one? Then let's give it a shout for Symphonic Illusion! Woo! Next band performing tonight is again from Meghalaya, from the state of Meghalaya. And help me welcome the fourth band performing tonight. Let us all welcome the Pantocrator on stage! As the band is setting up, let me give you some information about the judges who's going to be looking after the competition tonight. Laishram Momocha, founder Trammel Cannibals, soulmate from Shillong. Passed out drum and percussion from Yamaha School, Luni, Bangkok, Thailand. Best student of exam artist. Best Trammel All India Mini Contest. The next is Biswajit Dongbram, former vocalist of Recycle Cannibals, Best Vocalist, winner of Hornbill 2007, composer of Incredible Manipur, theme song of Shanghai Festival, and also the composer of Power of 18, the election song 2022. The next is Narayan Shruti, the bass player from Inner Sanctum, open for Metallica, Slayer, Weather, Lamb of God, Sikilikon, and a lot more international bands. The band has toured Europe twice, has released one EP and a full length. These are the judges who's going to be with us tonight.
Hello, check. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Pantocrator, your time
Hello,
starts
check.
now.
Hello, check. Hello, yes, hello. Hello, Ukro!
Check, check.
Garam Tori!
Check, check.
Nungai Rico! Okay, we are the band Pantocrator from Shillong, Meghalaya. And today, first of all, I would like to thank God because He's given us this opportunity again to get together, is it? After 2 years of being locked down at home, we are getting this chance now. Are you guys happy? Good, I like the vibe. Okay, we are the band Pantocrator, and at this very evening we have 2 of our originals and 1 covers. So if you guys know the song, you can join along with us. So we will start up with our first number, which is called Deep Slumber. I want y'all to jump. The dawn beckons me to wakefulness. Deep slumberies of the world. The time has come, we're still a mess. Repent, revive, surrender. Oh, 2,000 years he gave his words to his disciple and to all. Live your life with peace and joy. Trust in him with all your heart. Oh, living in a wicked life only brings a pain. Turn your back from deadly sin. Thank you. This next number is called, it's a classic song, Carry On, My Wayward Son. And if you know this song, I want you all to sing with me. Carry on, my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are gone. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Once I rose above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. I was soaring ever higher, but I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still was a blind man. Though my mind could think, I still was a madman. I hear the voices when I'm dreaming. I can hear them say, carry on, my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are gone. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Thank you. And this last number is our original. It's called Underdog. At the moment, you're feeling nowhere to turn to, repenting to walk abandoned hours before. Now darkness surrounds me, weaken my soul to do wrong. My inside whisper to pray for a second day. His grace will save me. His grace will save me. For I know He won't leave me, abandon me. Through this heartache I bear, I will escape the fear. For I know He won't leave me, abandon me. Doubtedly, here alone, I stand for the cause. Remembering my life, the day was gone by. Feeling like the underdog, unto the sky I gaze, wondering if there would be someone watching me. His grace will save me. His grace will save me. For I know You won't leave me, abandon me. Through this heartache I bear, I will escape the fear. For I know He won't leave me, abandon me. They say to black cloud there will be a golden silver lining. If I stay here, I never know. Yeah, they say to black cloud there will be a golden silver lining. Okay, we want this to be a memorable day for us. So we're gonna take selfie with you guys. Is it okay? Yeah, we'd love to do that.
Thank you, Panther Crater, for the great performance. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for the band, please. Make some noise for the band. Are you enjoying the show? Are you enjoying? All right, before I call upon the next band, I'd like to see if there's anyone who is not from Ukraine. Anyone, any visitor, any tourist, make some noise, raise your hand. That's quite a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you for your presence here. I hope you enjoy your stay. Enjoy SHIROCK, enjoy SHIRUI Lily Festival, but responsibly. All right? Are you ready for the next band? Are you ready for the next band? All right, presenting you the GMP band from Manipur. Make a big noise for GMP the band! Tangkul Naubing! SHIROCK 2022 Ripat Leila! Nextly, Tangkul band will perform Sara Sara. Stay tuned! We still have 3 more bands to perform after this performance. Not Funny, Chasing Proxima, and the Prophets are still on the line. Stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere. Enjoy the show!
Check. 1, 2.
GMP the band, your 20 minutes starts now. All the best. Let's go. One, two, one, two.
The voice which calls to me and speaks my name. Do I dream again? For now I find the phantom of the opera is inside my mind.
The phantom of the opera is there inside your mind.
Those who have seen your face draw back in fear. I am the masquerade.
It's me they hear. Your spirit and my voice, you will combine. The phantom of the opera is there inside your mind.
Opera is there, the phantom of the opera.
still up for more? All the music lovers from all over the country, you are represented here, and for those of you watching live, this next one is for you and all the metal headbangers. You all ready to headbang? Can you all be a little louder here? Yeah. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about.
Watch him become a god. Watch people have to roll a road, a road. Just like a fire that rains through the street, we dance like a marionette, swaying to the symphony of distraction, acting like a robot. It's metal brain corrosion. You try to think it's fast before the head explodes. Just like a firefighter that races through the streets, we dance like the marionettes, swing to the symphony. Just like a firefighter that races through the street, we dance like a marionette, swing to the symphony, swing to the symphony of description.
Start to rumble. World powers fall. Waiting for the heavens. A peaceful man stand tall. You're ready to have that love, yeah. So tall, so tall. Just like the Bible that went through the streets, dance like a marionette, swaying to the symphony. Come on, let's go. Just like a Bible that went through the streets, we dance like a marionette, swing to the symphony, swing to the symphony of distraction. This next one is one of her original number. I bet some of you, at least some of you might know the song, so I want you to help me out. Help us out, alright? This is our song called Thy Will Be Done.
season comes and I refuse to choose. My own sweet lamb thoughts and ways to fight, and to fear to have my sleeping concern betrayed beyond my soul. I know. Let me hear you all scream, yeah! To stand for the truth, to count endless blessings, like the feet of Abraham, overcome the voice of the end. There will be. There will be done. I am not the stranger to my father. Long and seen on, and nothing so fantasies real. My refuge in conflict with the foe we face. For nothing can this foundation be moved. To stand for the truth, to count endless blessings, like the feet of Abraham, overcome the voice of the earth. There will be done. There will be done. There will be done. There will be done. Son of hope, a beauty of the living on. No darkness shall conquer anymore. Son of hope, a beauty of the living on. Glorious in his name above. Yes, yeah. Stand for the truth, to count endless blessings, like the faith of Abraham, overcome the voice of the earth. Let me hear, come on. There will be. There will be. There will be. There will be. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. This will be our last song, and I bet 99% of you knows this song. So this song is of for all the music lovers present here tonight. What about we say SHIROCK? Oh yeah! You guys are really beautiful, man. I want you all to take out your phone and swing you. I mean, what about you all? Let me see the lights from your phone. Okay, all right. This is the last song. This song goes for you all, and also to all the live viewers. recorded this on piano, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know, 'cause a bottle of vodka still lodged in my head, and some blonde gave me nightmares. I think that she's still in my bed. It's really beautiful as I dream about movies that won't make of me when I'm dead. With an ironclad fist, I wake up and friends kiss the morning, while some marching band carries on beat in my head, while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe about love, the truth, what you meant to me, and the truth is, sing with me, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down, sing, on a bed of. Well, I'm so far away, it's step that I take on my way home. A king's ransom in times, I give its night to see through this payphone. Still I run out of time, or it's hard to get through, till the birds on a wire flies me back to you. I'll just close my eyes. Let's all sing, baby, my love is strong. Sing, yeah. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, this old dance by saying all the whiskey's gone dry, the bar people speak sugar and just giving me the eye. Well, I might have said yeah, but I laughed so hard I think I died. Give it up for my guitarist, Mr. Cabal! To close your eyes, no, I've been thinking about you. I see you. While my mistress, she calls me to stand in her spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone, but you know that on me I'm not lonely. I got nothing to prove for you too. I died to depend. For the last time I'll sing it. I wanna lay you down in a bed of roses. For
GMP the band, GMP the band. We have Mr. Kabong on guitar, and my side vocalist, Mr. Jenpui Hammer, Mr. Guy Sin on keyboards, and Mr. Guitar on drums. Have fun for the rest of the night. Love you all.
Should I? Hey, you crew! Are you feeling the bed of roses tonight? Do you feel the roses tonight? Do you like SHIROCK? Once more, do you like SHIROCK? Then shout SHIROCK! Once again, SHIROCK! That was a powerful performance by GMP and the band. Coming up next is a band from Ukrul, Manipur. Do you have any wild guess? Coming up next is a band from Ukrul, Manipur. They are the young guns from Ukrul town. Let's all welcome Not Funny Band on stage!
Ladies and gentlemen, the coolest boys in the town are here. Give it up for Not Funny Band. Ladies, can I hear you say yeah? Ladies in the crowd, can I hear you say yeah? Make a bigger noise for these cool boys here. Hello, Shake. Not Funny Band, your 20-minute starts now. All the best. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a slight technical issue here, so we'll be resetting the time for the band. All right, your time starts now for 20 minutes.
Baby, I don't know what kind of state I'm in. We got a ways to go. I woke up this morning, it was already night. I saw a number on a phone that I don't recognize. I know I've been across this land like 10 times now. I've seen every little corner of your two-bit town. I know where I'm going. Bright lights, you won't leave me alone. Need a shadow or a hole in the wall. Baby, I don't know what kind of state I'm in. We got a ways to go. Been around this whole town by now. I can tell you how you're supposed to get out. Baby, I don't know what kind of state I'm in. We got a ways to go. SHIROCK! How are you guys, man? You good? Are we vibing? That's awesome, man. I'm honored. You know, everyone wants something in their life. Do you want something in your life? Like a girl, maybe? I knew it, you people! Do you know what I want? I want a good sleep. I'm just kidding. All I want to do in this life is to sing for you guys. That's all I want to do. But you know what? I'm an ordinary man, wheel on the cage. Never been this lost, but I don't wanna ask to stay. In the morning, I'm leaving, and I don't know where I'm going. Hey! Bright lights, you won't leave me alone. Need a shadow or a hole in the wall. Baby, I don't know what kind of state I'm in. We got a ways to go. Been around this whole town by now. I can tell you how you're supposed to get out. Baby, I don't know what kind of state I'm in. We got a ways to go. Oh, you guys are awesome, man. I didn't expect this one. So first off, I want to introduce my band. On my right is Kuchumi. On my left, Soaring Ting. On my back, What's and I'm Ram Ting. We are the Thunderstrike. Just kidding. We are the Not Funny. It's good to be back. So this next song is our original, and I'd like you to help us sing this song, alright? It's just a simple favor. Okay, so if you can just sing the song, then I'd like your help. So from this side, sing da da da, sing da da da. One more time, Da da da.
Da da da.
That's good enough. And from this side. Da 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 da.
Da 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 da.
A little bit louder.
Da 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 da.
I think this side is a little bit better, right? Okay. Are you ready? Okay, then all together. Da da da. Da 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 da. Okay, that's great. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Living in her dreams, chasing all her clouds. Was she okay? Does she feel right? Leaving all her friends, waiting for the bus. Was she alright? Does she feel right? Baby, you a star. You don't have to be so low to say it slow. You a star, you a star, baby, you a star. You don't have to be so low to say it slow and come with me. I told her to be safe, yeah. On and on we go. She said, okay, will she come back? I take her on a trip. On and on we go. She said, okay. She said, okay. Baby, you a star. You don't have to be so low to say it slow. You a star, you a baby, you a star. You don't have to be so low to say it slow and come with me. Da da da, da 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 da. Just dance a little. Da 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 da. One more time. Da da da, da 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 da. Yeah.
Da 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 da.
I know you can do better than that.
So
Yeah.
good.
Da da da, da 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 da, yeah. Da 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 da. Sunny day on a rainy day. I know that you will always stay the same. Sunny day, rainy day, and I know that you will always stay the same. Baby, you a star. You don't have to be so low to say it slow. You a star, you a baby, you a star. You don't have to be so low to say it slow and come with me. Here we go. Thank you. You guys are awesome, man. Woo. Let's keep up the spirit, all right? Yeah. Woo. So, how's the night? Is it good? All right. So, are you guys ready to go crazy tonight? Are you guys ready to go crazy tonight? Then here we go. All right. I want you guys to jump. This is your time to shine, all right? This is the only place to dance. All right, this is the only place to jump. So, this is our original, and I want you guys to jump as much as you want. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
can't help, 'cause you're still my mind. I feel that you're chasing me tonight. Tell me what you really want from me. Yo! Tell me lies, tell me all of it. Hear me twice, and let me go, let me go. I've been holding on. 'Cause I've been holding on. 1, 2, 3, jump! I know you will find your way to me. Yeah. Searching for a place to stay the night. And all I know is you will run from me. Hey! Tell me lies, tell me all of it. Say it twice, and let me go. 'Cause I've been holding on. 'Cause I've been holding on. So how are you guys? How is it? It doesn't look much like a boy band ever. No, right. Okay. And it goes on like this. So are you ready to go crazy? Yo, then are you ready to jump left and right? Yo, so as I count to 4, I'd like you to jump 4 times on the left and 4 times on the right. Are you ready? I repeat, 4 times on the left and 4 times on the right. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Come away with me. Come away with me. Come away. Thank you, man. You guys are the great. You are the best. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Give it up one more time for Not Funny Band! A louder one, please! Right. Thank you so much for the beautiful performance, Not Funny Band. Are you being entertained tonight? Are you being entertained? Are you tired? Are you tired? Do you still want to be entertained? Do you want more fun? Right, we still have more entertainment to follow. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Give me the energy. Are you ready for it? Are you ready to be entertained like you have never been entertained before? All right. Next up, we have a band from Manipur introducing you, presenting you, Chasing Proximity. Let's welcome them. Let's welcome Chasing Proxima with a big round of applause.
Chasing Proxima. Inner sanctum, inner sanctuary. So, no. So please take care.
Làm lạ. 내리는 지 하라 좀 삼라.
Not funny lampan today.
아주 미더라다 한. 이제 미스라임 레너리 나쁘게 봤네.
Ukrul, are you ready for Chasing Proxima? Are you ready for Chasing Proxima? Yes, that's the spirit.
Check, 1, 2, 3, check! Check! Check!
Chasing Proxima, your time starts now. All the best. You have 20 minutes from now.
Ukrul, how you hanging, bro? Woo! Wow, I didn't expect that response from you, but thank you so much. You look so amazing from here. So, good evening, everybody here. We're chasing Proxima from Imphal, and I can see some familiar faces here, and I want all of your energy towards us. Okay, we have 3 acts for you tonight, and I have one question for you, just one. Are you ready? Are you bloody ready? All right, this is a first song. This one's an original composition. This one's called My Descending. Here we go! Let me see those fists in the air, come on! Jump!
Protecting what you care. The prophecy remains a fiction, corrupting my misery.
Let me see those hands in the air, cool. Come on, everybody. Go with me. Okay, let me see those hands in the air now. Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Man, we never thought this would be possible again due to the dreadful disease that had occurred the whole of the globe. And we're so grateful for the Almighty to give us this opportunity to perform in front of you again. So thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. So moving on. You want to head back more? Then I need a bloody circle pit amongst you. Get a circle pit ready. Get a circle pit ready, everyone. This song is called Rule of Nines. Mosh pit, everybody! Go! Go! Jump!
Down in the shape of a body, I live with my fingertips. I don't want to be part of that. Daydream is always on my mind. If that's what you like, your agents were burned to life. I had a dream of skies and thoughts. The rule of it's a strange place to feel all the girls in faces. I had a dream of schedule for the road of life.
Amazing, guys, amazing. Thank you so much for your kind of response. So, okay, guys, this is our final song. So I want you guys to all group with us. Are you okay with that? Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. We're gonna radiate energy and you're gonna give us back the same. All right? Okay. This is our final act. And this is an original composition. And this song is so special to us because it's the first song that we ever wrote together, and it kind of relates to us in certain ways. So this song is for the broken and the beaten, and I dedicate this song to all of you and all of those folks who are watching us live at home through their phones and the television. This one's called Degrading Canvas. Here we go!
Too many voices in my head, textures like grenades. Systems collide, so hard to understand. Unchain me, it's getting hard to breathe. It's getting dark to see. Here we go. So this pitiful voice, eyes wide open yet side. I want you guys to box with me right now. With me, ready? Zero, three, jump. Jump! Go! Retribution is what you seek, for disaster is what you will bring. A soul in my wound, snow in your heart, everything's a mess. Oh, hope you see, there's a thin line, it's never, worth it. Patience, growing things shall save me from insanity. I'm not your prisoner, you wear the scars will never heal. Let this tragedy take it. Hold on to this day that is wanted to be real. You promised you won't hide, but now I hit the ground. I keep falling from the unforgiving skies. I can't saturated, it's empty. It's contaminated still. Yeah, make it worth the while. Drink it out, come back. Growing things so
those horns up in the air one last time, guys. Thank you. We appreciate it so much. Like we said, we're chasing Proxima, and it's been a pleasure to perform in front of you all. Thank you, judges. Thank you, team. Thank you to all the people who are engaged in this wonderful festival. God bless everybody. See you at the top.
I will announce first and then you comment. Okay? Yeah. Don't worry. I'll say the time starts now. That's when the time will start. Don't worry about that. Okay?
They have to flatten out the EQ on the guitar over there, no?
Hey, 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 SHIROCKers! Do you feel the heat tonight? Can you feel the heat tonight? That was chasing Proxima, setting the stage on fire. I can feel the heat. Can you feel the heat too? Do you think they deserve another round of applause then? Should we give the round of applause for chasing Proxima? We have the last band performing tonight, and they are all the way from Mizoram, and they call themselves the Prophets. Help me welcome the Prophets on stage!
Okay, real quick. Can you please turn down the EQ for the guitar all the way down, flatten it out. Flat the EQ on the guitar, please. All right. All right. On the main sound, Okay, cool. What a beautiful place, man. Woo! Thank you for welcoming us. We love the people. People are beautiful. Their hospitality, man, it's awesome. And the performers, they're amazing. Can you give yourself a round of applause? Awesome! Okay, how about this? Now that we're gathering up? I say she, and you say rock. I say she, and you say what? She! Woo! Awesome!
The Prophets, your time starts now. 20 minutes from now, all the best.
We are the Prophets, and we'll be performing 3 of our originals. Time's up, time's up. about ukrul. I love the pork, man. Pork is awesome! The best pork ever! think it's about time we heat up things here. All right. This next song is called Take Your Stand. Thank you, thank you. You're so kind. And for our last song, we give you Awakening.
Yeah.
SHIROCK. It's been such an honor. God bless you. Thank you. Good night. And take care of yourself. All right? Rock on. Woo!
Everybody, the prophets, giving us another mind-blowing performance tonight. Let's give it up for all the prophets once again. And now I would like to give it up for all the wonderful you out there who have been wonderful tonight. Let's give a round of applause for all of you once again. You are wonderful tonight. Thank you so much. And among the 8 bands that has performed tonight, you have witnessed the mind-blowing, powerful performances from the 8 bands tonight. Who do you think is the nearest band to winning the SHIROCK 2022? Who? Okay, for everyone who is watching online, to let us know in the comments who is the band that is nearest to winning the SHIROCK competition. With this, we have come to an end of the Day 2 SHIROCK competition. We will have the same competition tomorrow, and there are 8 bands that is lined up for you. Thank you so much for being a wonderful crowd tonight. Drive home safe, walk home safe. We will see you at the same time, the same place. You have been wonderful. Good night.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have 8 more bands who will be competing for the SHIROCK 2022 band competition tomorrow. They are Echoes of Mercy from Manipur, 1BHK from Manipur, Step Maggot from Assam, Terra Progeny from Manipur, Rongbin the Secret Realm from Assam, Manga from Karnataka, Oblivions from Assam, and Paradigm Shift from Nagaland. See you all tomorrow, same time, same place. Good night. Right, here's a correction. Instead of Manga from Karnataka, Oral Paradox from Manipur will participate in the competition. Best wishes to all the bands. See you all tomorrow, crew. Good night, everyone. Take care.